Welcome to GEPL Capital Talks on Tuesday, a weekly podcast, bringing to you an interesting talk related to finance every week. Stay tuned. Subscribe now and press the bell icon to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel and never miss out on any stock market update and build your knowledge on investment. Hey, hello everyone. In today's Tuesday Talks, which also happens to be our episode number 65, in this episode, we are going to talk about 3 investment mistakes to avoid by our research analyst mutual fund Tushar Patil. So before we start, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We promise we will make investing easy for you. Here you go. Listen in.
Hi Lakshmi. Investing is more art than science. Hence, when learning how to invest, it is important to learn from the best, but it also pays to learn from the worst. Today, I will be discussing 3 most common mistakes investors should avoid while making investment decision. If any of these mistakes sound familiar, it is likely time to get in touch with a financial advisor. First common mistake in investing is to stop SIP. Regularly investing over a period of time can have as much influence on the wealth accumulation as the return on investment. Thus, it is the surest way to increase the probability of reaching your financial goals. SIP brings in discipline in investment process and inculcates habit of saving regularly. But investors stop SIP when market corrects or try to time the market and miss on the key benefits of SIP like rupee cost averaging and power of compounding. You buy more number of units when the market is low and less when the market is high. Thus, over a period of time, the cost per unit averages out and usually places the investment in a position to earn good returns. This is known as rupee cost averaging. Now about power of compounding. When you invest over a period of time, long period of time, and earn returns on the returns earned by your investment, your money would start compounding, which in turn helps accumulating big wealth for you. Thus, continuing systematic investment without emotional intervention to time the market will definitely help you achieve your long-term financial goals. Second mistake is redeeming investments when markets are falling. Equity market correction is the time when actually you should increase investments and benefit more from the rupee cost averaging method, which in turn will bring down investment cost. Thus, over a period of time, you can see good returns over capital invested by overcoming fear and being opportunistic in equity markets. Third mistake is not investing in equities. You will miss some big advantages if you don't invest in equity markets like first, missing participation in growth story of the economy. As the economy grows, so do corporate earnings. That's because economic growth creates jobs, which creates income and in turn improves sales. If you participate in equity markets, you can take advantage of rally in stock prices and earn good bucks by investing in growth story of the company and the economy. Second benefit is beating inflation. Historically, it's proved that by participating in equity markets, you can beat inflation and generate superior returns on the investment. For example, Nifty 50, which is a large cap oriented index, has generated about 16.5% CAGR returns over a period of 5 years. And third benefit is equity taxation. Long-term capital gains, that is investments held for more than 12 months, are taxed at 10% provided the gain in a financial year is over 1 lakh rupees. And short-term capital gains, that is investment held for less than 12 months, are taxed at 15%. Thus, by investing in equity markets, you can save a lot as far as taxation is concerned. So this is all about 3 investment mistakes to avoid. Happy investing.
Thank you so much, Tushar. So you can also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Telegram, for where we are talking all about investing for you. Thank you so much. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Investors must make their own investment decision based on their specific goals, financial position, and risk appetite. The content provided herewith is purely for information and educational purpose only.